Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. See, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the rate of change of quantities. Write the heading, rate of change of quantities. Rate of change of quantities. The rate of change of quantities. Rate of change means, what does it mean by rate of change? Rate of change means it is derivative, isn't it? Rate of change of y with respect to x. Rate of change of y with respect to x means dy by dx. Rate of change of y with respect to x means it is dy by dx. Okay, rate of change means a small change in one variable. Okay, a small, suppose imagine you are heating one plate. What happens? Imagine you are heating a circular plate. When you heat that plate, what are the changes happening to the plate? The circular plates. What happens? When you heat, what you have learned in our lower classes, when we heat a plate, what happens? The size will, what happens when we heat a plate? It will expand. Is that no? Is that no? So what happens? The radius will increase. So there is a small change. It's not a big thing. It's a small change. Minute small changes happening in the radius. Correspondingly, when the radius is changing, correspondingly there is a change in, if the radius is changing, can you tell me what are the other quantities it will change?
Diameter.
The diameter will change. Then what else? Yes,
Circumference.
Karthik. Yes, Aishwarya.
Circumference.
Circumference. That is perimeter will change. Is that no? Is that no? Anil Mohanan. Then
Area.
area will change. Okay, with respect to a small change in the radius, there is corresponding change in area, corresponding change in perimeter. Okay, similarly, suppose we are heating a spherical ball. When you heat a spherical ball, what happens? Its radius will increase. Okay, spherical ball. When you heat the ball, its radius will increase. Accordingly, its surface area will increase. Is that no? Its surface area will increase. Its volume will increase. Okay. So the rate of change of one quantity when the radius is changing with respect to time. Correspondingly, area also will change. Volume will change. Okay. So we are going to learn about this in this topic. So write the heading, rate of change of quantities. Rate of change of quantities. Okay, when we do the problem, you will understand. When you do the problem, you will be understanding it more clearly. Okay, then just write the question. A balloon, a balloon, a balloon which is always spherical in shape. A balloon which is always spherical in shape has a variable radius. Has a variable radius. A balloon which is always spherical in shape has a variable radius. Is it correct? Imagine one balloon. If you inflate air into the balloon, what happens? When you inflate air, what happens? Whether the size will be increasing. Accordingly, area will be increasing. Is that no, Karthik? Can you imagine such situation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so imagine a rainy day. Water is flowing. Suppose I throw a stone in the water. What happens? Or imagine you're standing in front of a lake. You throw a stone. What happens? When you throw a stone, initially one small circle will be formed. Then it will start growing, isn't it? It will start moving. It will become big circles like that. As I know, so every second the radius is going on increasing. Accordingly, the area enclosed will be going on increasing. Is or no? You can see some ripples formed. Is it clear, children? Are you able to understand? Huh? So whenever there is a change in one quantity, correspondingly there is a change in another one. We are going to find such quantities. Okay, here one situation is explained here. A balloon, which is always spherical in shape, has a variable radius. Has a variable radius. Finds the rate at which finds the rate at which find the rate at which find the rate at which its volume is increasing. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing. Its volume is increasing. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with respect to the radius. Volume is increasing with respect to its radius. With respect to its radius when the radius is 7 centimeter. When the radius is 7 centimeter. Read the question. Find the rate at which its volume means that balloon's volume is increasing with respect to the radius. With respect to the radius. When the radius is 7 centimeter. Now listen, children. The thing is, you have to learn the notations. If you are learning the notations and what is changing. Okay, what is changing? Here, the one important thing is, whenever it is increasing, radius is increasing, area is increasing, means we take the quantity to be positive. Okay, it is increasing means we take it as positive. It is decreasing, suppose area is decreasing means we take the quantity as, we'll be taking that with negative sign. Okay, radius is increasing at the rate of 7 centimeter means we'll be taking it as +7. If it is given area is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter square means we take it as -7. So increasing means we'll be taking the quantity as positive. Decreasing means we'll be taking as negative. Now look at this question. Find the rate at which its volume. So when you start this question, okay, here no notations and all given. So you can denote, let V be the volume and R be the radius. Let V be the volume and R be the radius of balloon. Okay. V be the radius and R be the volume and R be the radius. So can you tell me what is the formula for volume of the balloon? What is the formula for volume? What is the relation connecting V and R? Volume of the balloon. Balloon means it is a sphere. So volume V is, yes, Aishwarya? Aparna?
4 pi r square
4/3?
pi r cube.
Pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Now listen, children. Another important thing here you have to notice. Here what is given? Volume is increasing with respect to radius. Volume is increasing with respect to radius. That means volume is changing with respect to radius. So dV/dr we have to find. Is it clear? Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with respect to radius. So we want to find dV/dr. What is dV/dr? Similar to dy/dx. So 4/3 pi is constant. What is derivative of r cube? Yes,
Yeah,
what is
square.
derivative of r cube? Yes, Aparna?
Then 3r square.
3r square. Isn't it? Now here 3 will get cancelled. Now what is given? Radius is given, isn't it? Find the rate at which volume is increasing with respect to radius when the radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is given as 7 centimeter. So when R is 7, when the radius is 7, the substitute here. What is dV by dr? 4 into pi. You can write this as 22 by 7 r square. 7 into 7. So what is the answer? So these two will get cancelled. 88 into 7. What is the answer?
616.
Yes, Aishwarya?
616.
616 centimeter square. Okay, it is given as unit. Unit is given as centimeter. So volume means centimeter cube by radius. Centimeter. So 1 centimeter will get cancelled. So we'll get centimeter square. So 616 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? This concept, is it okay? Huh? The rate of change of quantities, is it okay, Anila Mohanan? Whenever the radius is changing, there is a corresponding change in the volume. This is what we call it as rate of change of quantities. Rate of change of quantities. Write the next one. Find the rate of change of area of the circle. Find the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to its radius. With respect to its radius. When the radius is 3 centimeter. When the radius is 3 centimeter. When the radius is 3 centimeter. How to do this? You have to give the notations. Okay, beginning you have to give the notations and all. So how to do this? So let's denote A be the area. Okay, let A denotes area of the circle and R be the radius of the circle. R is the radius of the circle. So what is the relation connecting these two? A is equal to area of the
4 pi
circle
r
is
square.
pi r square. Area is given as pi r square. Now what is asked? What is asked here? We are asked to find the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to radius. We are asked to find dA by area with respect to radius. So dA by dr is equal to pi into, what is the derivative of r square? It is 2r. So it is 2 pi r. Okay, if you keep pi as such also, no problem. If they give particularly pi, you substitute. Otherwise, if you write in terms of pi also, it is okay. Now, what is the radius given here? Radius is 3 centimeter. So it is dA by dr. dA by dr is 6 pi centimeter. dA by dr is 6 pi centimeter. Okay. Is it okay, children? Hmm? Is it clear, Tomlin? Is it okay? Rate of change of quantities, is it okay? Hmm? Write the next one. Write the next one. Find the rate of change of volume of a sphere. Find the rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. Find the rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. With respect to its surface area. When the radius is, with respect to its surface area, when the radius is 7 centimeter. When the radius is 7 centimeter. So read the question and tell me what we have to find here. Find the rate of change of. Find the rate of change of volume. Find the rate of change of volume of a sphere. Find the rate of change of volume of a sphere. Find the rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. With respect to its surface area. With respect to its surface area. When the radius is 7 centimeter, isn't it? Is it correct, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, how to do this? Listen, children. Rate of change up. Okay, so here and all, let's lose the notations. Let V denote the volume. Let V denotes the volume. A denote the surface area. A denote the surface area. And R be the radius. And let R be the radius. What we have to find? First, you tell me, children, what we have to find here. In the previous case, and all
Change
rate
of
of
volume.
change of area with respect to radius. Here, what is asked? Find the rate of change of volume with respect to surface area. That means we have to find. Yes, Aditya. Not able to hear Aditya. Aishwarya. Yes. D. Aparna, what she said?
dA by
dV.
dr. dA by dr.
dV by dA is what we have to find. We want to find dV by dA, isn't it? But whether dV and dAr is it directly connected? Whether V and A is it directly connected? V and A, we can express it in terms of. Are you able to understand my question, children? If you take volume and surface area, which is common there? What is the formula for volume? What is the formula for volume of a sphere?
4 by 3 by r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. You look at the surface area. What about the surface area of a sphere? Yes, Anila Mohanan. Say it louder. Louder. I'm not able to hear Anila. I think it's not connected. 4 pi r 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now look at here, which is commonly present there?
4
Which is
pi
the
r square.
it is the radius. Isn't it? Radius 4 by 3 pi and all is its constant. So volume also changes with respect to radius. Area is also changing with respect to radius. So here I'm going to find out what is dV by dr. What is dV by dr? It is 4 by 3 pi into, what is derivative of r cube? It is 3r square. So 1 3 will get cancelled. So we'll get 4 pi r square. Same way, here also you find out what is dA by dr. What is dA by dr? 4 pi into r square. If you differentiate, it is 2r. So we'll get 8 pi r. Our aim is to find dV by dA, isn't it? So what is dV by dA? dV by dA. So dV by dA will be equal to dV by dr by dA by dr, like what you have learned in parametric form. Okay, like in parametric form. So it is dV by dr by dA by dr. What is dV by dr? 4 pi r square by dA by dr is 8 pi r. Simplify and tell me what is dV by dA?
2r
2r.
r by 2r.
R by 2. Is it correct?
2r.
R. How will you get R? Is it R by 2? Aparna, is it R by 2, Aparna?
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
1 pi will get cancelled.
Yes,
1
ma'am, it
2.
is r by 2.
No?
Yes, ma'am, only denominator is only one radius is there now.
It is not, I'm not able to hear it clearly, children. Some audio problem is there. Can you repeat it? Can you repeat? Yes?
R by 2.
R by 2. Is it correct, Aishwarya? R by 2? Are you getting this, Anila? Huh? Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is R by 2. Now radius is given. When the radius is 7, what is dV by dA? dV by dA is 7.
By 2.
7 centimeter. How I am getting this unit centimeter? Volume is centimeter cube. Area is centimeter square. When you cancel this, you get 1 centimeter left out.
Ma'am, isn't it 7 by 2?
Huh?
Isn't it 7 by 2?
7 by 2. Yes, R is 7 by 2. Radius is 7. So when you substitute there, it is 7 by 2.
So 3.5
okay?
is the answer, right?
Yes.
We
Yes,
have to
Shubham?
divide also, no, 7 by 2.
Repeat it.
We have to divide now 7 by 2.
If you leave it 7 by, if you leave it like 7 by 2 also, it is okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the next one. Write the next one. Next one we are going to try. Find the rate of change of area of a circular disc. Find the rate of change of area of a circular disc. Find the rate of change of area of the circular disc with respect to its circumference. With respect to the circumference, when the radius is 2 centimeter, find the rate of change of Find the rate of change of area of a circular disc. Find the rate of change of area of a circular disc with respect to its circumference. With respect to its circumference when the radius is 2 centimeter. When the radius is 2 centimeter. Try this question. You copied this question. Find the rate of change of area of a circular disc with respect to its circumference when the radius is 2 centimeter. So for a circular disc, so you use the notations. Let A be the area. C denotes the circumference. Let C denotes the circumference. And R be the radius. What we have to find? What do you have to find? What do you have to find? Rate of change of area with
Circular
respect. Yes, Shubham?
area of a circular disc.
You have to find out dA by dC, area with respect to circumference. So now, find out what is A. What is A for a circular disc? Area for a circular disc? Area is
Pi r
Tomlin.
square.
Pi r square. And what about circumference? Tomlin?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. It is 2 pi r. So you, in order to find dA by dC, we'll be finding dA by dr by dC by dr. We'll be finding dA by dr by dC by dr. Okay, we'll be finding dA by dr by dC by dr. So what is dA by dr?
Two pi r.
dA by dr is 2 pi r. Okay. What about dC by dr?
2 pi r itself.
2 pi. What is derivative of r? Shubham, when you differentiate with respect to r, 2 pi into 1. So it will be 2 pi. So what is dA by dC? What is dA by dC?
R.
R. Yes, it is 2 pi r by 2 pi, which is equal to r. Which is equal to r. Here the radius is given, isn't it? What is the value mentioned here? The radius is? When the
Millimeter.
radius is 2.
2
When r
centimeter.
is 2, what is dA by dC? It is 2 centimeter. So the rate of change of area with respect to circumference is 2 centimeter. The rate of change of area with respect to is it okay? Is it clear, children? Is it okay, Anila? Okay. So here and all, what is given? Area is changing with respect to radius. Volume is changing with respect to radius. Now listen to my question. Suppose it is given the rate of change of volume is, listen, the rate of change of volume. The rate of change of volume is, the rate of change of volume is 4 centimeter cube per second. That means, how will you denote it? Look at the question, look at the sentence given here. The rate of change of volume is 4 centimeter cube per second. So, what does it mean?
dv by dt.
Yes,
dv by dt.
very good, very good. Okay. So, volume is changing with respect to time. Is it clear? The previous case and all, we wrote simply radius. It is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and all. But here, what is the unit given here? Look at the unit. It is given as centimeter cube per second. So volume is changing with respect to time. That means dV by dt. dV by dt is 4 centimeter cube per second. This units is very important when we use rate of change of quantities. From the units only we will understand. Is it with respect to time? Is it with respect to radius and all? Okay. Now let's do the next question. Next one, write the question. The edge of a cube. The edge of a cube is increasing. The edge of the cube is increasing. The edge of a cube is increasing. Edge of a cube is increasing at the rate of. Edge of the cube is increasing at the rate of 10 centimeter per second. At the rate of 10 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume? How fast is the volume increasing? How fast is the volume increasing when the side of the cube is, when the side of the cube is, when the side of the cube is 5 centimeter long. When the side of the cube is 5 centimeter long. So listen to this question. What is given here? We know cube. Okay. What are the features we know about a cube? What can you say about a cube?
All sides equal.
All sides are equal, isn't it? Each face of
Square.
a cube is a
Square.
square. Each face is a square. All sides are equal. What about surface area of a cube?
6a square.
6a square. Okay. Surface area of a cube is 6a square. What about volume of a cube?
A cube.
A cube. Okay. Now read the question. What is given here? The edge of the cube is increasing at the rate of 10 centimeter per second. So we have to use the notations. Okay. So let's take x be the side of the cube. X denotes the side of the cube. Okay. And how fast is the volume? We need volume. So let V denote volume of the cube. Let V be the volume of the cube. Now read the question and write down what are the things given. Edge of the cube is increasing at the rate of 10 centimeter per second. Edge is increasing at the rate of 10 centimeter per second. That means, Chomlin, what is given here?
Length by time.
Dx by dt. Okay, yes. Dx by dt. Rate of change of side with respect to time is increasing. So it will be taking it as positive quantity. It is 10 centimeter per cube, 10 centimeter per second. What we have to find? Read the next point. How fast is the volume increasing? How fast is the volume increasing means, Karthik, what do you have to find here? Yes? What do you have to find?
dV by
We want to
dt.
find dV by dt. How fast is the volume increasing? So we want to find dV by dt when the side of the cube, when x is given as 5 centimeter, when the side is 5 centimeter. Is it okay? Now use the formula. What is the formula for volume of a cube? What is the formula for volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is
A cube.
a cube. Here it is x. We have used the notation x. So V is x cube. Now listen here. Listen, children. I'm going to differentiate with respect to time. I'm differentiating with respect to the time t. So dV by dt. Volume is changing with respect to time is equal to, what is derivative of x cube? 3x square into dx by dt. 3x square into dx by dt. Is it okay? Now substitute the values. So 3 into, what is the value of x? X is 5 square. Dx by dt is 10. So what is the answer? What will be the answer?
750.
750 units is important. dV by dt. So it is centimeter cube per second. Therefore, volume is increasing. Volume is increasing at the rate of, volume is increasing at the rate of 750 centimeter cube per second. Volume is increasing at the rate of 750 centimeter cube per second. Okay. Is it okay? Any doubt in this question? Anila Mohanan? Tomlin? Is it clear, children? Okay. Is it okay, Shubham? So in the next class, learn all the formulas related to sphere, cone, cylinder. Okay. Formulas related to sphere, hemisphere, cylinder, cone, and all. Okay, surface areas and volumes. What you have learned in our lower classes. Collect all the formulas and come. Okay. With this, is it okay? Is it clear, children? Now, next one. Write the next question. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped into a lake. A stone is dropped into a lake. Into a lake, and waves move in circle. A stone is dropped into a lake and waves and waves move in a circle. Waves move in a circle at a speed of waves move in a circle at the speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. It's an important question and different question. Mark it. A stone is dropped into a lake and waves in a circle move at a speed of waves in a circle move at a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast is the enclosed area increasing when the radius of the circular wave is radius of the circular wave is 7.5 centimeter. And the radius of the circular wave is 7.5 centimeter. Read the question. A stone is dropped into a lake and waves in a circle. Imagine the situation. Okay, you are standing in front of the lake. You throw a stone into the lake. What happens? Will you be getting the circular ripples formed? Yes or no? When you throw the stone, suppose this is the point the stone fell. What happens? You'll be getting initially one small circle. Slowly it will extend, isn't it? The size will go on increasing. Okay. So concentric circles are formed, isn't it? What is meant by concentric circles? Is it concentric circles? What is meant by concentric circles, Karthik?
Ma'am, a circle inside a circle.
Concentric circles.
Circles with the same center.
Circles with the same center. Center is same. Radius only is changing there. Okay. When you throw the stone, what happens with the position where you throw the stone? That one will be the center. With that center, circles will be formed. The size will be going on increasing. It will be spreading, isn't it? It will start moving. So a stone is dropped into a lake and waves in a circle move at a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. So what is it given here? It is moving with a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. That means what is it changing there? What is given here? It is moving with a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. Yes.
Circumference of the circle is
Is it
increasing.
circumference? Look at here. Circle is moving. Okay. Initially it will be here. Then it is here. Means what is going on? Increasing. What is changing there?
Radius.
Radius. Is it clear? This is the point important here. Okay. Circle is moving with the speed. So circle is moving means center is not changing. The circle is only it's going on increasing like this. So that means the radius is going on increasing. So suppose we take R be the radius. Okay. Let us take R the radius. Let us take R be the radius and A denote area. And let A be the area. Now here, circles move at a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. That means dr by dt is given. Isn't it? dr by dt is 3.5 centimeter per second. dr by dt is 3.5 centimeter per second. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? That means what you have to find? How fast is the enclosed area increasing? That means we have to find dA by dt, isn't it? How fast is the enclosed area increasing when the radius of the circular wave is, when the radius is 7.5 centimeter. When the radius is 7.5 centimeter. Suppose here it is given meter, and here if it is centimeter means you should convert the units, both the units to the same. Okay, units should be made same. If it is in centimeter, everything should be in centimeter. If everything is in meter means everything should be converted in meters. Okay. Now tell me, what is the formula? What is the formula connecting A and R? Area. Area A is equal to
Pi r square.
area pi r square. Area A is pi r square. So it will be dA by dt. Shubham, what is dA by dt, Shubham? Shubham? Not there. Okay. Anila Mohanan, what is dA by dt? Anila Mohanan. What is dA by dt? Okay, Aparna, tell me Aparna, what is dA by dt?
Ma'am, 2 pi r.
Hmm?
2 pi r.
2 pi. Okay, how will you find out this? Pi is constant. What is derivative of r square?
2r.
2r into dr by dt. 2r into dr by dt. Now substitute the values. Which are the values given there? Substitute it. Pi into 2r. R is 7.5 into dr by dt. It is 3.5. Simplify and find the answer. What is the answer?
Should we also substitute the value of pi?
No need to substitute for pi. If they mention, you have to substitute for pi. Otherwise, not needed. You can write in terms of pi.
52.5 pi.
50. Can
52.
you repeat? Yes.
52.5
Ah, Hmm.
pi.
5. Yes. 52.55 centimeter cube, centimeter square area, isn't it? Centimeter square per second. Centimeter square per second area. So it is centimeter square, and time it is given in seconds. So centimeter square per seconds. Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it okay, children? Today we did some problems based on circles, spheres, and cube. Okay, tomorrow and all we'll be doing few more questions based on rectangle and all. So learn the formula based on cone and all. So learn the formula and come. Is it okay today? What you have learned, is it clear? Rate of change of quantities, is it okay? Whenever there is a change in one quantity, a corresponding change is there. When the radius is changing, There is a change in volume, there is a change in area, there is a change in perimeter. You're finding the rate of change. That's what the topic name is rate of change of quantities. Is it okay? Is it clear, Anila? Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.